Welcome. If you're looking to add an email address to your Facebook page using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Facebook update, the process is quick and easy, and I'm here to walk you through each step so you can connect with your audience even better. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main Facebook page, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, find and select the page you want to update. Once you're on your page, look for the menu on the left side or near the top, and click on About. This section contains all the important details about your page, and it's where you'll be able to add or update your contact information. Now scroll down until you see the section labeled Contact Info. Here, you'll find the option to add email address. Click on this option. A new field will appear where you can enter your email address. Make sure to type it in carefully so your followers can reach you without any issues. After you've entered your email address, double-check it for accuracy. Once you're sure everything is correct, click the Save button. Facebook will update your page, and your new email address will now be visible to anyone who visits your page. That's it. You've successfully added an email address to your Facebook page using your PC. This small update makes it easier for customers, fans, or anyone interested in your content to get in touch with you directly. Keeping your contact information up to date is a great way to stay connected and build stronger relationships with your audience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.